Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're diving deep into Layer 2 solutions, the technology that could revolutionize the world of cryptocurrency transactions in 2025. If you're tired of waiting for long transaction times and dealing with high gas fees, Layer-2 solutions might just be the answer you've been looking for. What are Layer 2 solutions? Layer 2 solutions are secondary frameworks built on top of blockchains like Ethereum to help reduce network congestion, lower transaction costs, and speed up processes. While Ethereum and Bitcoin are amazing, they can become sluggish and expensive due to the high demand on their networks. That's where Layer 2 solutions come in. They are designed to scale the blockchain's capabilities without compromising on security. Why do we need Layer 2 solutions? Transaction speed. With Layer 2, transactions can be processed faster, taking only a fraction of the time compared to Layer 1. This is crucial for users and businesses who need quick and efficient transactions. Lower fees. The cost of transacting on Layer 1 blockchains like Ethereum can be pretty high during peak times. Layer 2 solutions lower those fees, making cryptocurrency more accessible for everyday use. Scalability. Layer-2 networks can process thousands of transactions per second, TPS, solving the scalability issues that plague many blockchain platforms. Popular Layer 2 solutions. Here are some of the most promising Layer 2 solutions that are gaining traction in 2025. Optimistic Rollups. These solutions bundle many transactions into a single one to improve scalability, reducing congestion and lowering fees. zk-Rollups. Known for their advanced cryptographic proofs, zk-Rollups allow faster and more efficient transactions while ensuring security. State channels. These are two-way communication channels that allow users to conduct multiple transactions off-chain, only settling on the main chain when necessary. Plasma. A framework that enables faster transactions by creating smaller child chains linked to the main blockchain, improving scalability. How will Layer 2 shape the future of crypto? By 2025, Layer-2 solutions will likely play a critical role in making cryptocurrencies more user-friendly and viable for mainstream adoption. We could see mass adoption. As transactions become faster and cheaper, more people and businesses will be willing to adopt cryptocurrencies. Enhanced dApp experiences. Decentralized applications, DApps, will become more efficient, with better performance thanks to Layer-2. Sustainability. Layer-2 could significantly reduce the environmental impact of blockchain networks, making crypto a more eco-friendly option. If you're ready to take advantage of the crypto revolution, we've partnered with some of the best and most trusted crypto exchanges to help you get started. Check out the link in the description and pinned comment to open an account with a top-tier crypto exchange today. If you found this video helpful, thumbs up like this video to support the channel and help others learn about Layer 2 solutions. Share it with friends who are interested in crypto and want to know more about how to make their transactions faster and cheaper. Checkmark subscribe to the channel for more insightful videos on cryptocurrency, blockchain technology, and investment tips. Speech Balloon. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or thoughts about Layer 2 solutions. I'd love to hear your feedback and discuss it with you.
Here we go. I see the light inside you, brighter than the skies. Hold on, just let us escape and fly away tonight.